Not sure if you heard the news or not, but Imagen just came out with Imagen Video. This, my friends, is a game changer. I've been using the beta version for about 9 months now. So a couple things first. Imagen Video is an AI tool where you upload your footage and it color grades it for you. It doesn't just slap a LUT on top of everything. It actually goes in and processes each clip, color balances, and puts a separate color grade on every single clip. They were just in Premiere for a while, but they just added DaVinci Resolve, so all my DaVinci friends out there can give it a try. If you know anything about me, you know I love high quality work, but I also love being efficient when I do it. And this, with Imagen Video, is a nice mix of the two. Whenever I am color grading a wedding film, I usually have to go in clip by clip and fix things that honestly don't take much skill. They just take time. Color balance, just getting the exposure correct, just making sure that the image is even, that it doesn't have too much red in the highlights or blues in the shadows. And honestly, it's using scopes, which are data and scientific, data of what the color is. And Imagen goes in and does that for me. So it saves me, just off the top, hours per wedding film, just getting things in order, getting them color balanced properly. And then I've uploaded my own LUT to Imagen, and it adds that LUT to every single clip. So what it does is it goes in and it balances all the color, and then it adds the LUT. And so what happens is whenever I get the file back, I open it up in Adobe, and all the clips are now color graded. I can go in and make changes. I can go into my scope still and make changes. But honestly, it's about 90 to 95% there every single clip, and on at least every single clip, and most clips I don't even have to touch. What does this do for me? Well, I was recently in the Bahamas, and I was able to take some of these clips that I was making. I was there for 3 days, and after every event, I made a little same-day edit. What I would do is I would find my favorite clips, throw them into Imagen, and they would do all the work for me. It would use the AI to color grade my film and save me time when I didn't have a lot of extra time. So I was able to go to this beach party and film, and then by the time the night got there, they had a little same-day edit that was color graded to match my style. Things like this take my brand to the next level. And as you can see on screen, the befores and the afters of some of these clips, you can see that the quality is incredible. I shot the film well, but Imagen takes it to the next level. As somebody that is charging now over $20,000 for some of my wedding films, I have to have a consistent look that appeals to the right couples. The workflow is pretty simple. You install Imagen, you log in, and then you choose an AI profile. This is basically the look you want your footage to lean towards. Then you upload your finished edit, no color grading yet, just a timeline. From there, it's going to process everything, and when it's done, it'll send back a new project file. This is where it gets interesting. Instead of applying the LUT across the entire project, it actually goes clip by clip. So each shot is being adjusted based on lighting, skin tones, time of day, all of it. You can see here, this shot was super warm, and this one is a little underexposed, and instead of me manually chasing all of that, it's already balanced. That is the biggest difference to me. It doesn't feel like a shortcut. It feels like a really fast starting point that's actually usable. One feature I really like is the ability to grade colors again. So if I don't love the look, I don't have to start over. I just reprocess the same project with a different AI profile. And you can compare them side by side. You can also, like I said, upload your own LUTs into the system, which is huge. But if you don't have your own LUTs, there's different looks to choose from that you can toggle back and forth between. And I can guarantee you there's something in there that will look close to something you're already using on your wedding films. So instead of choosing between speed or control, I kind of get to have both. And this is where I think this fits. If you're someone who spends hours correcting inconsistent lighting or struggles to get those skin tones right across the entire film, this saves you so much time. For me, personally, I'm not just exporting and calling it done. I'm still going in and doing a little bit of tweaking, But instead of starting from zero, I'm literally starting from something that's already 90 or 95% there. And that to me is a very big deal. As I mentioned, this works with Adobe and DaVinci. So whatever your workflow is, you're covered. Pricing, pretty straightforward. Here's how it works. You can either pay as you go at about $1 per minute of footage. So think an 8-minute film is going to cost you about $8. Or you can do the subscription model, which is $36 a month, which gives you 60 minutes. And anything extra on top of that is just right about 60 cents per minute. And again, if you want to test this out, you can get 20 minutes free using the link below this video. I don't think AI replaces taste, and I don't think it replaces experience, but I do think it can remove a lot of the repetitive parts of what we do. So you can spend more time on creative decisions that actually matter to the film. I know when I would get done with wedding films, I would get the edit done and then I needed to color grade, and sometimes it would take me 1 or 2 days to just get the color right. Now it's only taking me a few hours because of Imagen Video. If you do try it, let me know in the comments what you think or what your workflow looks like. If you have any questions about it, let me know and I can talk you through whether or not I think it's a good fit for you. So ask yourself, do you feel like the time you're spending color grading every single clip one by one, balancing every single clip, do you feel like that is worth the time? Do you feel like if you had a tool that did all that for you so that you could go in and make the final tweaks, would that make it easier for you to get films delivered quicker? Would that make your films more consistent across the board? Would you be able to deliver same-day edits or sneak peeks a lot faster? I know that it worked for me. I am an ambassador for Imagen AI, but they told me I could say whatever I wanted about this product, and I wanted to give an honest review of where it's at right now. There are things that could be better, but to be honest, they've been in beta for almost a year, or maybe even longer than that. I know that I've almost been using their beta for a year. And they've made so many improvements since it started. And this is just the beginning. So grab a subscription, use the link below, check it out, see about that free 20-minute trial, and let me know what you think. Color grading is so important for our wedding films. I can't stress that enough. Especially if you're not good at color grading, give this a try and see what it does for you. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you haven't already, hit the like button and subscribe. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of this video. My plan is to start putting more YouTube videos out, more of this content consistently. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video.